everyone! Today we're making a total of 5 desserts using Oreos, popcorn, and Kinder Joy. La 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 la! I want something sweet! What is this? And there's nothing here! Yay! I found it! These are Oreo cookies! Can you say Oreo? Yes! Oreo! Pour the cookies in the bowl. Now crush it! Look! It's tiny powder! Pour cake mix. Add some milk. What color is milk? That's right! It's white! Add Oreo crumbs. Time to bake. Look, sponge cake layers. 1, 2. What color is this cream? Yes, blue. Like the sky. Smooth it out. 1 big cake, 1 tiny cake on top. Melted white chocolate dripping. Stick the blue chocolates. Puff of cream. Top it with tiny Oreos. Wow! Put the tiny Oreo sign. So pretty and yummy.
Cut it out and
Woohoo! What a party! Yeah, piñata time. Oh, piñata! I'm coming! What is this? Where are the candies? Woohoo! We need to go to the mini kitchen. Write in the comments which popcorn you like more. Now with a cake like this, I can watch a cartoon. Give it to me.
no! I'll be back!
So interesting. Yay! I won. Let's make a cake. Let's open this Kinder Joy. Wow! Cool! I'll use it for my cake. Where is my Kinder? What are you doing?
Sorry!
Bad duck.
I have an idea. It works great.
Oh my god! Who did it? It was a bad duck. I need to clean everything up.
What is this? I know what to do. Looks great.
Is that you again? Get out! I think I like it.
Happy birthday to me. I want to see my presents.
This is for you.
What? I don't want a Kinder. I want cake.
Don't worry. I'll make a cake for you.
Okay, let's go.
I want to open this Kinder Joy. Wow, I like this Oreo chocolates. What? Hey, what are you doing? Give it to me.
No, I'm hungry.
This needs to be washed. So much better.
I want Oreos.
This cookie's for my cake. Get out.
Sorry.
Hey, I have a great idea. Thank you.
Hey, put the Oreo right here.
Okay.
Abracadabra, badabra, boom!
Yay. Take your hat back.
Thank you. This is for the cake.
Cool! You're so cute! I want to make one more cake.
This is my egg. No, give it to me.
What happened? Wow! I have an idea! It's time for my rainbow candy! Looks so cute!
Looks very tasty.
What? I like it! Wow, so interesting! Oh, thank you! These creams will make my cake more colorful.
Looks very tasty.
Hey, why did you eat my cake? What should I do?
It's for your new cake.
Thank you! Oh no! My cream has spilled! I should make it again.
I have an idea.
I think I like it. It's time to decorate the cake. Subscribe to my channel if you also like rainbow cakes. La 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 la. Wow, which Kinder Joy should I choose? I like this one. Let's go home, kitty. Let's open it. Cool. Yay! It's a Dr. Pepper. Hey! Where is the chocolate? You're a bad cat. What? Who made this mess? It was a bad cat. I need to clean all this up. What do you want? No, you can't drink lemonade. Oh, don't cry. I have an idea. This is for you.